Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you what is frame. So see here, this is one frame. So frame is used to update any data. Instead of updating whole web page, we can update inside the frame. So how you know there is the frame? Okay, in your web application. So when you right click on any frame, so there will be the option, see here, reload frame or view frame source. And one more thing, whenever you are trying to inspect to this frame, so there is one tag, see here, inspect this one. So see, this is the tag, frame is the tag. So you can identify using tag name to this frame. So how to identify how many frame is there and how to identify the frame and what are the method are available in Selenium. So let me create one class, Java class, as a with the name frame. Okay, so I will give iframe, then create one main class Webdriver, driver equals to new Chrome driver, then driver dot manage dot implicitly wait, driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait. So duration is the class which provide of seconds method. So here I will give 20 seconds. So then provide the driver dot get. So here you have to provide the website URL. So web address is jQueryui.com/droppable. Okay, so here after launching the website, we have to find out to this frame. So how you can find out? So see here, so this is the tag, okay, and this is the attribute. So using tag name also you can find out the frame. So here I will provide list of WebElement. Inside this WebElement, frame equals to driver dot find element by dot xpath. I will provide the we have to use dot tag name. Inside this we have to provide the tag. Our tag is iframe. So we have to see here, we have to use find elements. So because it will return list of web elements, so simply print frame dot size. So it will find out how many frame is there and it will print the size of frame. It has launched the Chrome browser, and this is jQuery UI. So our application is ready, and let me check. See, there is one frame. So my another intention is I want to capture, I have to capture this, drag me to my text and drop here this text inside this console. So how to do it? So how to do using frame? So let me comment this one. So first of all, write the script to find out this frame. So create the XPath for this frame. So this is the property class and demo frame. So simply copy, Ctrl plus F, double forward slash star in bracket @ equals to. So we have find out, see, this is the frame. Instead of double inverted comma, you should use single inverted comma. So simply copy this one. So we have to store this frame XPath in WebElement. Driver dot find element by dot. This time we have to use XPath. Simply we have stored this frame inside this frameElement. We use one interface with the name frame. So WebElement is the interface. So what we have to do after finding this frame, we have to move inside this. So for that, so see here, driver dot switchTo.frame. So frame is the method which provide to move on the frame based on the index, based on the WebElement, based on the string. So one by one we are going to see here. So first of all, I will use move to on WebElement with the index ID 0. Okay. So see here, after that we have to capture this text. So for that you have to create XPath for that. So this is the ID properties there. Simply copy this one. So create XPath, double forward slash @. So we have successfully find out this one. Copy this one, WebElement. So here draggable equals to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Provide the XPath here. Then WebElement. See what we have to do. So we have to capture this also, drop here. So we have to create one XPath for that. Copy this one, WebElement is equals to dropable equals to driver dot find element by dot xpath, provide the xpath, simply this. So see here, let me create properly xpath for this, so it has draggable, so this is the droppable. Simply copy this one, see we have find out this successfully. So copy this one and paste properly inside this. So what we have to do, we have to copy the text which is present inside this, drag me and drop here. So see here, so one by one we can copy here. So draggable dot get text. So what is the return type? See here, what is the return type? Return type is of this get text is string. Simply store this inside this string type of web string. I will give name drag element, drag text. Okay, drag text. Then simply out that print this drag text, and then we have to perform string type drop text equals to droppable dot get text. Print this one also, drop text. So let me correct this one. So here we have given the task. See what will happen. We have successfully written the code here. See what will happen. Simply click on run. It should launch the application and capture the text inside the console. It has launched the application. Let me minimize this one and see here we have successfully captured this, drag me to my target and drop here. So using this code we can perform this task. So instead of this driver.switchto.frame, we can use another method. What is another one? driver.switchto.frame. So this time directly we can provide WebElement. So we store the frame inside this frame. Simply copy this one and see. I'm going to run. let me close this previous login. Simply click on run. So this time it has launched the application, and see inside this console we have successfully print this one. So this time we use driver.switchto.frame. So we print the frame, switch the control using frame WebElement. So what is third method of frame? driver.switchto.frame. So this time I will use this frame which take the input. What is the input? String of name or ID. So it will take the string input. So inside this you should provide this string. So here we can store this frame as a string type. So here I'm going to create one string class with the frame name equals to frame simply so directly you can store instead of storing inside the WebElement, we can store this. Simply copy this one, X, and simply provide this one. Okay, see here, so this time we have provided frame. So like this we can perform the frame operation using this driver.switchto.frame, or here we can provide the name of the frame or at the string type, or directly we can provide the frame ID. So directly you can provide the frame name. So frame name is the iframe. See here, what is the frame name? So this is our frame name. Okay, so this is iframe. So like this we can use the frame tag. So we have seen these are the different method of frame. Welcome back students. In this point I am going to teach you how to handle the frame using string input. So see what are the method of in Selenium to handle the frame driver.switchto.frame. So see, these are the three method. Frame handle using string name, by handling WebElement, by handling index. So here which Java concept we are using? Method overloading. In method overloading, method name is same but different in argument list. So here see, frame is the method which will take the string or ID as the input string id. So here, so simply you can provide the web id XPath inside this. So see here, we store our frame inside this web element name as the frame. So instead of this one, simply copy this one and provide inside this C. Don't disturb to whole code, it will work. Simply comment this web element because we have provided our frame id inside this frame. Okay, so let me run. So this time it will run and capture the title or the text. Chrome is started and it has launched successfully. So it has launched. Let me check inside the Chrome. See here, see what happened because we close already this one. See, driver.switchto.frame. So we have provided frame here. So we have provided 2 times only. See what will happen. We have provided the frame ID. Click on this, run. See, it has launched successfully and we have copy, drag me to my text and drop here. So see, we use this 4 frame method. What are the methods? See, this is first one. So based on index id we have find out the frame. The second one, based on the web element name as the frame, we have find out our frame. And third one, based on string input type or string id, we have find out the frame. So here we use the Java concept, method overloading. Frame method name is same but different in argument list. So like this you can handle the
I hope आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। आपको अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो हमारे चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर ज़रूर करना। तो देखो, चैनल को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करने को कुछ पैसे नहीं लगते, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट करो यार। तो मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में जल्द ही।